Microsoft just announced it will cut up to 9,000 jobs in the coming months. But why is one of the world's richest tech companies laying off thousands? And what does this have to do with AI, who's being laid off? Employees in cloud services, customer support, and traditional software divisions are among those impacted. The layoffs will reportedly span multiple global offices, including US and European divisions. Why Microsoft is shifting to AI? Microsoft is investing billions in AI, from OpenAI partnerships to embedding AI in Office, Azure, and Windows. The layoffs are part of a resource reallocation toward AI R&D, infrastructure, and integration. Reactions from employees and analysts. Some workers say they were blindsided with no notice. Industry experts say it reflects a larger shift. AI is not just a tool, it's replacing workflows and roles. Critics question the timing, especially after recent record profits. What this means for tech workers, this is part of a wider trend in 2025. Amazon, Google, all cutting jobs while investing in automation. Roles in AI development, cloud computing, and cybersecurity are growing. But support and admin roles are declining. And for thousands of workers, that means change, uncertainty, and a need to reskill fast. The AI revolution isn't coming, it's already here. Do you think AI should replace human jobs? Let's talk in the comments. Hit like and subscribe for updates on the future of work.